He is not a victim. He is a perpetrator.
43 convictions, 18 burglaries, and a prolific Spokane criminal learns his fate in a Spokane courtroom. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. 44-year-old Christopher Cannata has made a career out of committing crimes. But today, a Spokane judge aimed at putting an end to it. And KXY4's Grace Ditzler was in the courtroom with his latest sentence and when it was handed down. And Grace, Cannata tried to paint himself as a victim, but this judge wasn't buying it.
Nadine, Cannata did take responsibility for the crimes he's committed, but he said that he's never had an opportunity to get treatment for his drug addiction or be able to excel in life. Judge Triplet sentenced Cannata to 27.5 years in prison, followed by 7.5 years of community treatment. In court, the prosecution described Cannata as a career offender. A detective on the case said on average, Cannata has been arrested 23.7 times, each time he's out of custody, and that he has not taken advantage of programs to help him get past his drug addiction.
The defendant's behavior over his lifetime has caused disrespect for the law. It's caused fear that our system is ineffective.
The defense said Cannata takes responsibility for his actions, but that sexual abuse and an introduction to heroin at a drug treatment center when he was a teen sent him on a downward spiral.
But that started a life of using drugs, trying to hide his shame, trying to not think about this stuff. It sounds to me like this has been one of the more miserable existences I've ever heard of.
The defense said he hasn't been given the chance to prove he's more than the worst thing he's ever done. Cannata apologized directly to Celeste Shaw, the owner of Chaps, a restaurant he's convicted of burglarizing, and said he took responsibility for his crimes. But he said he's never had the opportunity to get clean and turn his life around.
Because I can't get anybody to overlook that mess. This mess I created.
Judge Triplet sentenced Cannata to 27.5 years in prison, saying this is his last shot. Shaw asked for a maximum sentence in court, saying she was speaking on behalf of the community.
I appreciate that he recognized the voice of the community of Spokane, that it was time. He wanted to offer him a chance, but at the same time, it deserved a sentence.
I understand the
And Judge Triplet said while the allegations of Cannata being abused as a teen are unacceptable and unfortunate, many other people are in similar circumstances and don't go down a path like Cannata has chosen. He said this is Cannata's last opportunity to turn his life around. Reporting on the Sky Deck tonight, Grace Ditzler, KXLY 4 News.